Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today is Saturday, November 29th, which is the final day of our 7 days of Christmas event, where all week long we had freebies, sales, prizes, videos. It was a lot of fun and it's not entirely over because today we still have a 30% off shop-wide sale going on in our Etsy to celebrate Black Friday and the 7 days of Christmas event. So make sure to jump over there and grab any items that you're still looking for while they are on sale. And then as well as that, we are going to be announcing the winners of the daily giveaway, where every day we chose one comment from each of the videos this week to win a $20 coupon to use in our Etsy shop. And before we jump into that, really quick, I wanted to say that if you have accidentally just stumbled upon this video now and you're worried that you missed out on the event, don't be, because all of the freebies will still be available in all of the videos forever. So if you go down in the description box of each of those videos, you should still be able to get a hold of the freebies. And then as well as when it comes to the sales, we are probably going to be having more events in our shop. We're not sure exactly when, but if you like and subscribe, you should be able to be notified when we have those events going live on the channel so that you don't miss out on future freebies, sales, prizes, all that good stuff. All right, without much further ado, let's go ahead and announce the winners of the $20 coupons. So for Sunday, we have ampersand Y2U. For Monday, we have Donna Dove. And on Tuesday, we have Paola Crespi M5X. And then on Wednesday, we have Kelly Scards FL. And then for Thursday's winner, we have Belle Sammy's Decor. And then finally, our last winner is at LPMMT. So congratulations to all of the winners of those $20 coupons. To claim the coupon, all you'll need to do is go to your Etsy account and message My Porch Prints, and we will get that handled for you. So congratulations to all of those winners of our 7 days of Christmas events. For everyone else, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future events and future opportunities for more giveaways, freebies, coupons, things like that. And before we go, I just want to do one quick last reminder that a portion of this week's sales are going to be donated to God's Hands for Kids, which is a charity that helps support foster and adoptive kids and families. So if you jump on over to our shop for the last deal going on today, a portion of that money will be going to a charity. So again, thank you so much to everyone who bought something this week for helping to support God's Hands for Kids. Otherwise, that is going to sum up the 7 days of Christmas event. I hope that you all had fun crafting along with me, enjoyed all of the freebies and sales going on this week. Leave a comment down below letting us know if you did, and that way we know if we should do more events like this in the future. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to everyone, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!